Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the Xtra Cameras community. Xtra is established in Delaware, Lewes, Delaware that is. And they are a DelawareInc.com product company that was made for the US market. Share your fun with the Xtra cameras from the Atto, Edge, Edge Pro, Muse, and Xtra 360. Always check in twice a day, morning and evening, for the great deals that Xtra has to offer. And I'll post them down below so you can visit the person. Check on the prices, check on the camera you're after, and let's get going. I'll see you all at the Xtra Cameras community. And thank you for joining. Welcome aboard. Welcome to the Xtra family. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll see you there.